Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Boxycharm. So let's get started. I needed a little fuel before we get started. You know what I realized? I didn't get the theme card they usually get in your box. I got it last month, but I didn't get it for this month. So did y'all get a card or is it just me? I don't know. Maybe they missed it. I know I wouldn't have thrown it away because I knew I was going to film this video. So yeah, I don't know what happened there. Anyway, so this is all the goodies that I got in my box. So first things first, I got a refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Oh, nice. EVIO Skin Aurora refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. I wonder if they have a smell. No, they don't smell like anything. They smell like wipes. I'm not a big fan of wipes to clean out my makeup. I actually just use water and I use my kind of like a puff. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here. Those are so good to remove your makeup, you guys. But I will go ahead and give these a try and see how it goes. And it says it has cannabis, sativa seed oil. All right, next I have the Kate Somerville, the active concentrates. It's a bio-mimicking peptides, smooth and firm oil, I believe, right? Is it oil? Serum, sorry. It's a serum. Alright, so let me see. It's a high performance reshaping serum. Ooh, that is a pretty fancy heavy bottle. I don't have anything of Kate Somerville and I've been seeing it quite a bit, so it must be pretty good, right? Or is it just the hype? I like to smell everything. It doesn't smell like anything really. Maybe it has its own natural smell of whatever it is. How to use AM and PM. Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. Use alone with other KX active concentrates or a layer with a serum or moisturizer. Oh, that's awesome. I can't wait to use this. I'll probably be using this at night with my moisturizer. And then we have the facial radiance pads, help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Ooh, I'm into the toning. I was not into the toning way back when. I used to just wash my face and then just put moisturizer on it, and I never really saw the point of using a toner, but now I do understand it and I can't live without it because I feel like if I don't tone my face, I feel like my face is not complete. I guess completely clean. Yeah, I would suggest to tone your face after washing your face and then go in with your moisturizer. Oh yeah, these have no smell at all. Just put lipstick on it. Oh, they are alcohol free. Nice. So it says wipe pad across face, neck. Oh, neck and décolleté. Yeah, I also tone my neck. Maybe that's why I have a little friend here. I tone my face and my décolleté. I'm excited that these are also good for your neck and décolleté. And next we have the CIATÉ Everyday Vacay, and this is a coconut setting powder. They have the cutest packaging, you guys. It's so cute. Last month we had the I think it was a blush, a baked blush, and it's so cute. And I think it's about the same packaging as well. It says apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free soft focus finish. Lightly dust oil prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. This sounds really good, especially for oily gals. So I really hope this will work on me. But I am kind of scared to use this because it has coconut. I wonder if it smells like coconut. Does it smell like coconut? Oh, Well, it's covered. Yeah, I'm kind of skeptical to try this because it has coconut, and I used to take out my makeup with coconut oil. I can't do that. It clogs my pores and it breaks me out. So I love coconut oil like on my hands, my body, but not on my face. So I feel a little nervous to try this because I am not in the mood to break out right now. It doesn't have a coconut smell. Well, let's see. Oh my god, that's really fine. Wow. I can't smell, so I guess... Nope, it doesn't smell like coconut. Oh, well, that's a good plus. That's crazy because a lot of stuff that has coconut on it, it smells like coconut. Don't get me wrong, I do love coconut, but sometimes the smell could be a little overwhelming. But oh my god, this powder is really fine. This looks finer than the Laura Mercier powder, and I love that powder. That powder is my go-to, my ride or die powder. I'm excited to try this. I'm excited that it doesn't smell like coconut, so maybe it won't clog my pores or anything like that. And hopefully it won't leave a white cast, so we'll see about that. But their packaging is so chic and it's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. You know, I've seen CIATÉ and never really caught my attention, never caught my eye. But now that I'm receiving these on my boxes, like so far I've received the baked blush that I received last month, and now the powder. All right, and the last thing is the LUXIE Complete Sponge Set. I love sponges, but lately, oh you guys, I have been using something else that I will be releasing a video soon, and I am loving it. All right, so this is Complete Sponge Set, LUXIE Detail Blender, LUXIE Precision Blender, and LUXIE Powder Blender. Whoa. The first one is a detail blender, I'm guessing, and the middle one is a precision, and then this last one is the powder blender. They're very squishy. All right, let me see. I'm picky when it comes to my sponges, but this one doesn't feel dense. This one feels really nice. This one feels a little dense. This one is the precision blender, I think. And this is the powder blender. This one doesn't feel as dense. It feels really nice. These two feel really nice. So I guess we'll see when you get them wet. Maybe it'll change the feeling of it. But yeah, hopefully they work really nice. This one is so cute. It literally looks like a teardrop. It looks so perfect. Look at that. Right? I love it. Yeah, I'm excited to try these. I love to try new sponges, new things. I love it. So I can't wait to try these cute little eggs. Cute little sponges. All right, you guys, I will go ahead and put everything down below with their pricing. I did not get a little card. Usually they send you a little card of the theme and the price on it, and leave the value of all of this right over here. If I would have bought this, you know, all individual. That's pretty much it, what I got for my box this month of February. So let me know what you guys got in your box for February. Leave it in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. And don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. I love you. Bye. You guys like our new friend back here? My husband gave me this for Valentine's Day. It's so cute, cute little panda. Help me name this cute little panda, guys. Leave it in the comments below.